The Apples to Apples solution is a software application that directly addresses the rising challenges and opportunities in healthcare in the USA, including the crisis of obesity, heart-related ailments, type 2 diabetes, low levels of fitness, and many others. This is resulting in exploding healthcare costs. Another challenge is the parallel sharp erosion in customer loyalty to healthcare ecosystem companies. This lack of sustainable loyalty is posing a serious threat to their profitable growth. In this world of exploding global proliferation of healthcare choices and corporate competition, Apples to Apples believes that the next breakthrough in sustainable healthcare customer loyalty will be a strategic approach that tightly integrates why consumers buy and why do they engage in the activities they prefer with what consumers experience and buy. In order to create sustainable healthcare customer loyalty, healthcare ecosystem companies increasingly need to know why consumers are choosing their particular healthcare service or wellness activity, the level of success or satisfaction they have experienced throughout their healthcare events, what and where they are buying or accessing from competitors, and why they are buying from or engaging with competitors. Only then can healthcare services and products align with the consumer's individual priorities and preferences. Apples to Apples changes the status quo in sustainable customer loyalty by integrating and modeling customers' quantified and prioritized experiences of who the customers are and from which healthcare ecosystem company they acquire each service and product, why they acquire from these companies and brands, the what, the where, and the which, and their level of satisfaction with their experience, and what specifically they would want to see changed in order to significantly improve the quality of this experience. This modeling has enabled Apples to Apples platform to develop predictive models of consumer behavior and provide both consumers and healthcare ecosystem companies with custom recommendations based on individual preferences and priorities to address their specific healthcare, wellness, service, and product requirements. Preemptive recommendations based on trending analysis, what we call skating to the puck, that informs about emerging changes in the healthcare wellness and marketplace of individual interest, and interactive quizzes that test consumer awareness of healthcare and wellness best practices based on the success of their psychodemographic peers, provide follow-up guidance and insight based on these consumer responses, and inform healthcare ecosystem companies where there are gaps in consumer awareness that could most contribute to spiraling healthcare costs. In addition, healthcare customers will be able, on any mobile or home platform, to share their needs and preferences, learn from others the best way to stay healthy, and save on healthcare costs. Ecosystem healthcare providers will be able, in new and innovative ways, to learn how their patients view the effectiveness of their services, understand and better address changes in the healthcare areas of most interest and concern, and determine optimal strategies for leveraging changer customer priorities. Ecosystem medical insurers will similarly be able to engage their end customers in a game, fun-based approach to help them improve their knowledge of best health-related practices and help them choose the ones that are best for them. Brand themselves in the forefront of preventative healthcare while dramatically improving sustainable customer loyalty. The end game is to improve wellness amongst the general population, thus lowering the cost of healthcare while improving the profitability of ecosystem healthcare companies. The next set of videos illustrate the healthcare-specific challenges facing consumers and ecosystem companies and how Apples to Apples is uniquely positioned to provide highly effective solutions both in terms of cost and in terms of value. The fuck?